In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in Stripe, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're setting up a new business or streamlining your current processes, adding customers in Stripe is an essential step for managing payments efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to get you started smoothly. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Stripe account and navigate to the home page. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a navigation bar on your left-hand side. Here, you'll want to click on Customers. This section is dedicated to managing all your customer data, making it a vital part of your Stripe dashboard. Once inside, you'll notice a clear and easy to navigate interface where you can view existing customers or proceed to add new ones. Next, let's focus on adding a new customer. On this page, look for the button that says Add Customer and give it a click. This will open up a new section where you'll be able to input the necessary details for your customer. Firstly, type in the customer's name. This is important for identification and will help you personalize interactions and transactions down the line. Then, move on to enter the customer's email. This step not only helps in maintaining records but also facilitates communication related to payment confirmations, invoices, and more. In the next step, you'll notice an option labeled Same as Billing Details. Clicking this ensures that you don't have to fill in the billing details twice if they are indeed the same. This feature is incredibly helpful for saving time and reducing the possibility of errors. Let's move on to the financial details. Click on Choose a Currency to select the right currency for transactions with this customer. For the sake of this tutorial, let's choose USD US dollar. It's essential to select the appropriate currency as this determines how transactions are processed and displayed. Further down, you'll see an option to tick taxable. It's crucial to select this if your customer is to be taxed on their transactions. Tax settings can vary depending on your geographic location and business type, so make sure this is accurate to maintain compliance. Finally, after all the details have been meticulously entered, proceed by clicking on the Add Customer button. This action completes the process, and your new customer will now appear in the list of customers within your Stripe account ready for any future transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully added a customer in Stripe. It's a straightforward process, but each step is crucial for ensuring that your customer records are organized and correct. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. If you found this guide